Hair loss has a significant impact on a person's self-esteem and appearance, but there's all kinds of factors that can contribute to either hair loss or hair thinning. Today there are multiple options. Laser treatments are a reasonable attempt to thicken up the hair, but the important thing is the follicle has to be there. You can't just stimulate an area of skin and hope for hair to grow. It has to be sort of a dormant or sleeping follicle, and what the laser does is it adds increased blood flow to the scalp to try to stimulate the follicle. Now, I always tell patients who are considering a laser treatment, there's no guarantee. It's very unpredictable. I still use in a lot of patients what's called the strip technique, which is you take out a segment of scalp in the back, you sew it closed very carefully so that there's minimal scar, and then you have a team of very, very skilled staff that cut it into the individual little grafts or follicular units. There are also several devices on the market today that actually extract the hair individually, so that's called follicular unit extraction, and there are several commercial devices that do that. And what you're doing is you're taking out the grafts one at a time. It's a good concept, but you also can sometimes be limited with it in the amount of hair you can remove. So the real skill in the procedure is how you put the hair in, how you design a hairline. That's where the important aesthetic sense of the person who's performing the procedure is really employed. It's not just, this is how I'm going to take out the hair. It's how I'm going to put it in. The angle of the hair is important. If you put the hair in at the wrong angle, it's going to look unnatural. Sometimes I think hair transplantation or hair restoration is sort of trivialized as, well, I'm just going to take some hair out and move it. Well, in reality, there are a lot of bad results out there because the people who are doing it didn't follow basic rules of aesthetics and didn't have the skill set to do it properly.